Hello there, we're going to use Gato AI Translations together with MetaBox. So in this side here I have MetaBox and I have a custom field already created with meta custom fields added for pages. And with the integration with Gato AI Translations, when you add an input here, you will have this input here available called Gato Translate, giving you the options of what to do with this field. So in this case, we have selected this to translate. So this is a text field, and we can do two things. We can do translate, and we can also copy it, or we can say do nothing. And by default, if it can be translated, so it will be translated. So then this option will be selected. Then here we have a description, which is type of text area, and similarly it has been selected to be translated. And here we have a color. This one is a select. So in this case, we don't want to translate anything. We just want to select the option that we add in that select. So here, Gato Translate, we can do copy only. The email, same. We can copy only, but we don't want to translate it. So this is the only option that we have. And then for entities, in this case, we have post, we have taxonomies, and image and user. The post, we can translate the reference. So if you are editing your origin post in, say, in English, and you link to another post in English, when you translate the post, you want it to link to the translation. So if I translate to Spanish, then I want that ID to be the one for the Spanish post. So then here the post, in the option that to translate, it says translate custom postal media reference. So in this case, we're going to translate. If there is a post for the translated for the target language, then it will translate the ID to that one. Same for tags and categories. In this case, I have a taxonomy, and it will be translated to the corresponding taxonomy. And same with images. So you can select an image, and then that image will be will have the description and the caption and the alt text in the target language. So then it will use that ID instead. Users, there is nothing to translate here, so then in this case we can only copy the value. And then finally here we have in MetaBox a group, and the group will be handled all together. So in this case I have a group with two inputs, one is a text and one is a text area, and we can translate this. So then I have selected to translate. I could also have a group with several fields of type post. Then I could say translate the post reference, or if they are like type tag or category, then we can translate the tags or categories, but the whole group must be handled all together. Okay, so we have this configuration here, and let's create a page and see how it works. So I add here a new page, and this one is configured already with MetaBox, and we can see all the custom fields that are appearing here. So when I translate this page to my target languages, then also the custom fields will be directly automatically translated without having to do anything else. So let's fill some information here, some random page here with some random content. Okay, and let's just fill this quick and easy. Some label and some description here and here. Color, this one is the option we don't want to translate with. We just select any value. Here, same with the email, we will copy this one only without having to translate anything. The post, I select here this post, and we want it to be translated to the corresponding language. Same with the taxonomy, same with the image. So in this case, the image, as we can see, this one is in English. Here, whoops, here we are. This one is in English. All the text is in English. We select this one. And then the user, we can select any of them. Badge, this is a badge, and here some are some nodes and more nodes. Okay, and let's save this, and let's now do the Gato translate of this manually. Do the Gato translate, and by doing this, the custom fields will also be translated. So as I said, we have two languages in this site. We have it here in Spanish, and we have it here in French, and we can see that the content has been translated here, and also the custom fields. We will come back to this. Also in French, here this have been translated and this have been translated. There we are. So let's go see this a bit more in detail. This one have been translated. Here the text, also this one have been translated. This select, it has been copied as is. Same with the email, it has been copied, nothing to translate. The post, now it has been translated to the one in Spanish. Same with the taxonomy, this one is the one in Spanish. The image here, we can see this one is in Spanish here. Myself. So we can see the content here, all the text and everything. This one is the one in Spanish. And I'm back. User, it was copied as is, and this one, the group, have been translated. So everything has been translated directly. Just by doing Gato Translate, all the custom fields will also be translated. Alright, I hope that you have enjoyed the video. Thank you.